Video, we discuss the recent developments surrounding the CBI appeal against the Rouse Avenue court decision in the Delhi liquor policy case. During the proceedings, the term selective verification became a key point of debate. Why did the CBI argue that the court was not able to understand certain aspects of the investigation? More
Maheshwarrao, Aam Aadmi Party Zonal Coordinator, Andhra Pradesh. So regarding Delhi liquor case, the CBI is moved to the High Court and all. They used this some word in that report and all. While filing the case to the Delhi, they used some word. Selective verification of the document done by the judge and all. They done the serious comment on the judgment also. Now, as a chartered accountant, so it is wrong. Selective verification, selective process is wrong, but I am questioning to the agencies. Whether the investigation in the country is going partially or impartially, you should understand and all. Here, by seeing the BJP related party assets 2014 as per the record, as per the BJP published records, 780 crores at 2014. Now 2025, they reaches to 12,164 crores electoral bonds as of now, assets of the BJP party as of now. How this money we got? If you go to the example, future gaming and hotels, because sometimes their rights is happening, whether it may be income tax, CBI, whatever is there, rights is happening. After that rights, they are giving the bonds. That bonds are redeemed by the BJP party and all. If you see the example, it is also actual data. If you go to the future gaming and hotels, they done the rights on April 20, 2022. 7th April, they given the electoral bonds of 100 crores. July 2022, to July 6, they given, so 75. September 2022, they done the rights on this area. October 2005, they given. Mega engineering. October 2019, rights happen. October 3, 2025, 5 crores is given. Even DLF group also there. It is relating to the Congress party and all. April 2014, rights is happen. Our investigation is started. October 2019, 25 crores electoral bonds is given to the BJP. December 2022, again, so they given 25 crores to the electoral bonds to the BJP. November 2023-22, rights happen. 15th, November 15th, 2022, 25 crores is. Even in our area also, Shidisai Electricals is there in Andhra Pradesh, particularly in Kandukur region. He is having electrical contracts and all. The rights is happen on December 2023. January, so 11, 2024, they given electoral bonds 40 crores to the BJP and all. Now the BJP government or TDP, whatever is there, they came into the power. They are allocating more land to the, so these electricals and all. Even earlier also, with the 100 crores, so they are not able to spend the money. Even if you check the company like Indosol Solar Private Limited, 1 lakh capital is there. For that 1 lakh capital, 8,000 acres of land is given to them, and also huge incentives is given. These are all the policy related changes, policy related favorable to the corporates, and corporates are giving funds to the BJP party and all. If anything is there, attacking on the corporates, and corporates are giving funds to the BJP, then everything is happening in such a manner. Once the bonds is taken, there is no investigation process, there is no move on this case. Why agencies are silent on this case? This is the common question rising by the all persons in the country. Because everyone in the country will expect more, particularly agencies like ED, CBI and all. You have a lot of autonomy, you have a lot of immunity also. From the Constitution of India is given a lot of immunity to you. By using all these immunity, you need to work out in such a manner in larger scale. These are all quick pro cases and all. If you take the example of US related SEC case also, they booked the case with the clear evidence and all. That is also policy related, particularly electricity related, policy related. The central government as well as state government, we have clear evidence, bribe is given, that's only he got the contract. By using that contract, he raised the money in US. They booked the case in US clearly. Why these agencies are silent at these situations and all? Even Hindenburg report also, if you check the report and all, bill traders also, they're GST related. They are routing money to the one company. From that company, 5,000 crores, they transfer to one company. That company is just paying only income tax and all. There is no employees, there is no office, there is no facilities also. Can we expect that small company, that fake company can receive capacity of 5,000 crores? Why? Why? Because this is relating to the big corporate, this is relating to the ruling party related. If the ruling party related issues are there, you can ignore. Opposition party related issues are there, you are opening and rising. Even after giving clean seat also, you are harassment of all those. This is not correct for as per the rule, as per the investigation process also. As investigation agencies, we should have clean mind. We should have peaceful mind and all. We don't have any predetermined mind. We don't want to book this person as a criminal. We don't want to think this person as all. We will do regular process and all. But in case of Aam Aadmi Party related issues, you put the case, you want to clear these policies relating to the quick pro and all. You done lot of exercise, you arrested them, you done the execution and all, but you are not able to produce the relevant technical evidence as per the sections and all. That's why the judges commented on that area. And also by seeing that comment, you used the South group and all, means how professional the agencies are working. This is also one example we can see and all. Even the case is cleared. Again, you are moving to the delay. That means you are going to the personal. It is not personal. You are taking salaries. You are getting all this immunity, power. Everything is for the nation only. It's not protecting for one party. It's not attacking on one party. It's not good for the nation also. As on today, we are afraiding not for the anti-nation related groups and all. We are afraiding those who are using powers and those who are able to work out for the nation. They are working for the parties. We are afraiding those type of situations only. That is the way we are facing. Even I am also facing in Andhra Pradesh. We are talking all this. They are putting cases. They are doing all those irritating and all. This is the way system is working in the country. Every common man should understand why this is happening. Investigation agencies should work out for the all free and fair men. Why this BJP reaches to 12,164 crores? Why other parties are not able to reach? Is this equitable treatment in case of democratic system? Is this equitable workout for the agencies and all? We should understand. We should question in such a manner. This should be discussed and debate. It should be happen in the country. Then only our democratic system will function. Then only we can protect our democratic system. We can give this democratic system to our future generations. Otherwise, our future generations under the control of all these corrupted systems and all, they will not survive. They will run away from the country to the outside country. That is happened. Exodus effect is more in the country. Our young generation is moving from India to outside countries. We should understand each and every one. We should respond on this issue. Thank you.